Oh well, I get home, folks, to more fun after working all day. My son called me up and told me that I got inch to 2 inches of water in the basement. Uh, Sump pump seems to be plugged in, and I hear it humming, but obviously it's not working. So walking around in water, getting all my good wood wet. Um, all kinds of stuff wet down here. Uh, this is crazy. Hey Tyler, who's upstairs? Well, guess I'm gonna have to push all this water to the drains again and hope that sump pump kicks back on. Or I've got to, yeah, I'm gonna have to. I got all kinds of crap down here, too many tools, and hope stuff ain't ruined. But I'm gonna have to make sure that check ball's working in that sump pump. So, not a fun day right now. You can see it puddling. We got at least an inch left here everywhere, so ruining my insulation that I need to put up in the rafters. And anyway, I got to get this basement done. I got to get rid of all this crap. So there's the sump pump that's not working, and I just bought that thing like last year. The other one is right here on the floor. Probably the float switch is stuck again, so I got to get down there and see what's going on. All right, folks. Not a fun day. Bye for now.